So, we're back for another installation video featuring one of our product, which is WPC Decking. So, before anything else, I am Jersey, the project engineer for Decocity, and here with me is Kuya Jay that will be helping us in the installation. So, quick review lang, what is WPC Decking? Well, from the word WPC, the wood plastic composite made of wood fibers and HDPE polymers that made up this material. So, itong WPC decking ay very durable that can withstand any weather condition. So, what are we waiting for? We can now start doing the installation for the WPC decking. You will need the following tools and materials to start. We have here the WPC decking boards, joists, end caps, expansion screw and pipes, metal intermediate clips and metal start clips. And for the tools, we have the hammer, power drill, and measuring tape. So before anything else, meron lang tayong consideration for the installation area of our product. So importantly, dapat malinis and smooth, flat yung pag-i-installan. Disclaimer lang, this video is for demonstration purposes only. So gagamit kami ng plywood as our platform for the mock-up. First thing to do ay ilatag ang bawat joist sa flooring and make sure na may 300 mm distance between them on center. Next ay mag-measure around 50 mm from each end of the joist at mag-drill ng hole through the floor. The succeeding hole should be 500 mm away from the initial hole. Pagkatapos mag-pre-drill, itabi muna ang joist at i-hammer down ang expansion pipes papasok sa mga butas sa sahig. Then, ibalik yung joist exactly on its initial position and secure them gamit ng expansion screws. Kapag na-install na ang mga joist, ikabit ang metal start clips sa isang dulo ng bawat joist na pagkakabitan ng unang decking board. Sa paglagay naman ng decking, itilt ito ng bahagya tsaka itulak papasok sa metal start clip. Gamitin naman ang metal intermediate clip para i-secure ang naunang decking sa opposite side at siyang magbibigay ng gap sa kasunod na decking. To make sure na pantay ang mga decking, slightly tap the edges of each board hanggang sa mag-align ng mga ito. On the last decking na ikakabit, mag-pre-drill ng butas sa end side, then use screws to fasten. Once ma-install na lahat ng decking, finish it off with the end cap to cover the edges. Screw on top of the end cap through the decking and keep a 300 mm distance between each screws. And ayan, that concludes our installation process with our product WPC Decking. Hope you get inspired in your next project. Again, I am Jersey and here with me is Kuya Jay. See you in your next vlog!